Namo Namaha. My Nirupan on 12th chapter of Bhagwad Gita. In previous chapter, Arjun got enamored by seeing Bhagwan's Vishwarupa Darshan. That's where one enquiry comes in his mind. And here 12th chapter starts. Arjun asks, Dear Lord, which can be the perfect path to be a yogi? Bhagwan says, there can be two, formless and being worshipped in form. So Arjuna is asking, which can be the better one? Lord Krishna says, the one who fixes his mind on me and have steadfast faith in me is very near and devoted to me, but at the same time who follows the formless worship certainly will attain to me. But Lord says, having a formless worship is very challenging. It has its own turbulence. Here, further Bhagwan says, apart from having worshipped in formless, one can have a fixed attention and complete surrender for me. Then, of course, I will lift him and take over above the birth and death in life. So, you can say, and I believe Bhagwan has never differentiated a devotee who is following a personal God or even a formless, that is, who is Nirgun and Nirakara. So Bhagwan has a similar and the same love and blessings to both of them. Further, Bhagwan says, if you are not able to find this easy, then you can have a simple thing in your mind that continuously try to remember me and completely devoted me. Even though if you're not able to remember me all the time, then you can just do a selfless service. Surrender all your actions to me. And even if this finds difficult, then just renounce each and every fruit of all the actions. So here, I can see Bhagwan is giving so many solutions to us to be worshipped to Bhagwan. So there are not one, not two, but there are numerous ways to worship Bhagwan. So I can see a subtle part of Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga here. The one question comes into my mind. Why this solution has come into 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita? Earlier chapters, Bhagwan explains to Arjun about Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, even Dhyana Yoga. And after seeing the Vishwa Virata Swarupa, Arjun has this question whether to worship a form or to the formless. And Bhagwan lovingly says this, by adhering to any of this way, you will certainly attain to me. But who is dear to Lord? So from verse number 12 to verse number 20, he gives various qualities of Adveshta, Sarvabhutana, Maitri, Karuna, Nirmamo, Nirankara, Samasukha Dukkha, Santushta, Satatam Yogi and Drudha Nishchaya. And further he explains, from verse 15 to 20th, there is a equanimity with everything, that is failure and success, heat and cold, and etc. So I feel that it's so relevant even in this Kali age. So Bhagwan has given all this learning in way back of Dwapar Yuga to Arjun. But even in Kali age, being living a practical life, if we adhere or if we have even a single quality, because these are not the adjectives of true devotee, but these are merely the definition. Bhagwan says, if even any of this quality any person has, he's certainly devoted to me and he's certainly dear to me. So the path is very clear. If we follow any of this, we certainly be dear to them, to the Lord. Thank you. Namo Namaha.